Hello, welcome to Examhood. We want to look at area of a triangle today. Remember, we are still treating area of shapes. Last time we discussed area of rectangle and square. So today we want to look at area of triangles. We want to see how we can solve questions involving area of triangles. So let's look at this question now. This shape is a triangle. This is a triangle. So we are asked to find the area of this triangle. So what is the formula to find area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is given by half times base times height. And this one, the base here, this is a base. This from here to this place is a base. This is half times 12. While from here to this point is the height. So you have your 7 here. So 2 here, 1 time. 2 here, 6 times. So you have 6 times 7. And then 6 times 7 will give you what? 42. So your unit is in centimeter square. So area of this shape is 42 centimeters square. That is the final answer. Thank you.